and welcome to the Best Buy blog. My name is Ray, and in this video I'll be reviewing the Smartmi Rainforest Humidifier.
There's nothing quite like the Smartmi Rainforest Humidifier. Ostensibly, this is a humidifier just like any other, designed to make your home feel comfortable and leave your air smelling fresh. But beyond that, this product is actually all about the ambiance. It creates a soothing, rainforest-inspired show in your very own home. The magic of rainfall indoors. In its box, you'll find the product itself, a charging cord with wall plug, and a user guide. The humidifier comes in 3 parts, which rest upon each other. They don't actually interlock, so be careful when removing it from the box and moving it around the house. The Rainforest is designed to be very functional for home use. It has an LED screen, which is water protected. You're going to pour right onto it, and it feels really weird, but it looks really cool. A real-time water level display on that screen. Smart home integration, optional voice control, and a top fill design. It uses a washable, replaceable, and recyclable polymer filter. It's that black and clear thing that I just installed, and a large water tank that lasts for about 15 hours. This filter is very nifty. It's really easy to clean and take out and put back in, but it is not HEPA rated. The technology used in the rainforest is said to be designed to simulate the natural process of rain evaporating. Smartmi isn't super forthcoming with details. I think that this actually works slightly like an ultrasonic product, but evaporative is not incorrect. The rainforest flings water droplets towards the clear product shell from the center in these tiny continuous rings, and the impact, according to the brand, humidifies the air through basically quick centrifugal force fed evaporation. Reading between the lines of marketing speak, this humidifier performs like a large-scale ultrasonic device. That means that it humidifies very quietly and produces cool air, and most of what you hear is the calming noise of raindrops and a cool breeze. At its core, this product is quite simple, but Smartmi has executed it in an interesting way that draws you in for an immersive product experience that feels very organic. The Rainforest turns on automatically to auto, and you can use voice or app control to fine-tune its settings, as I'm going to do right here. I've had the Rainforest for a limited amount of time, but so far I'm very pleased with it. I love watching it work. I think that it works quite well, and honestly, above all, I really love pouring water into the top. It feels so nifty. For long-term use, I recommend cleaning the device frequently, and if possible, using soft or distilled water to run it. For more on the Smartmi Rainforest Humidifier, make sure to check out my full review at the Best Buy blog. Thanks for watching.